finally got a car! Yay! We are just leaving Arequipa, trying to, because there is a lot of traffic jam, to go to Puno. We have about 6 hours drive left. I hope it's not at that rate. Hopefully not. We are going to take it slow because of the altitude difference. I think Puno is at 4,000 meters. 3,800. So we might just take care of the altitude. I got a ginger bite for the motion sickness, and it helps with the altitude sickness. So hopefully it will be okay. And the scenic view is gorgeous. We see the mountains. You think we're going that way to the mountains? So looking forward for the rest of the trip. Quite a bit.
The freaking ocean. There's a pole in the road. Did you poop yourself?
No, I did not. Back on the railroad! Yes! Ah! C'est toi qui as klaxonné?
C'est moi.
Ok.
Sorry.
With bumbs.
Sorry about that.
We're back on the railroad with bumbs. Peru is wild.
And bike don't work.
And brake don't work.
Such a piece of crap. Food is dead. Food is dead.
What? Ah! Can you stop?
But I don't see anyone.
So, first up, how do you feel?
Bit out of breath, but
Yes, I have a splitting headache, so we're gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna go back to the wild. And we are back on Purple Road. Yay!
back on track.
I didn't have time to close up the vlog yesterday, but we arrived in Puno. The way in was very beautiful. I love the mountains and the volcanoes and the lake. But arriving in Puno is like in one of these movies about post-apocalyptic worlds. You got all of these houses, one on another, emptied. So that was a bit of a bust. We got to the hotel and we passed out. I think I fell asleep at 6 p.m. because we're quite sick. I have a cold, but most of that we had sick from the altitude. We did have a lunch at 4,000 meters and we were kind of fine. I had a headache and a nosebleed, but that was all. And coming here, I'm feeling quite dizzy and nosebleed has stopped. Good. And that's it. I'm kind of light-headed as well. I'm sure when I'll be editing this video, I'll be laughing at myself. And yeah, Nicholas is kind of sick too, and he's got nausea and shortness of breath. I had to stop putting on my socks because I couldn't breathe anymore. So that's gonna be fun for today. But for now, I'm gonna close up this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the weigh-in. We loved it, and we are gonna enjoy the Lactica. So, if you want to know how we get through the altitude sickness, subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we post the next video, and like this video if you liked it. And we hope to see you next time. Bye bye.